O my Lord, I complain to you of my total helplessness, being totally powerless, without any means. And I complain to you of my being totally unable to do anything against my enemies, against those who have overpowered me. O merciful being, who is most merciful of all those who are merciful to anyone, are you relegating me to my enemies? Have you decided this? That you will hand over me to my enemies? But if you are not angry with me, and you have decided all this, this is my fate, provided you are not angry with me, I am also ready for all this. Do whatever you may please. Hand me over to my worst enemies, to anyone. But I look only for your pleasure. If you are not angry, then everything is acceptable to me. Then there is no complaint. But what I am afraid of is your anger, your displeasure. This should not happen out of displeasure. I turn to you and I pray and beg of you to save me from this, to keep me under your own protection, and don't relegate me to all this. Although I am ready, but I want otherwise. He said, O Lord of the light, in the name of your brilliant face, which enlightens the entire universe, the heavens and the earth alike, and all darkness is turned into brilliance and light. What I seek you in this name, only your forgiveness, only your favor, that you never be angry with me. That's the ultimate I ask of you.